Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Auntie D for those who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig was sponsored by the company Dossier. And for those of you who don't know who Dossier is, Dossier is a perfume company who provides iconic scents at a fraction of the cost because they want everyone to smell like luxury. And in order to do so, they created this great company to be a fair alternative to luxury scents. And the two scents they sent over to me for September are Powdery Coconut, which is Tom Ford Soleil Blanco, Powdery Hawthorn, which is inspired by Tom Ford Metallic. The Powdery Coconut, ooh, that's me. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this on my next date night. I love the Powdery Coconut. Oh my gosh, I'm curious to see what the real one smells like. Powdery Hawthorn. This one, I feel like I'm gonna layer these two together. I will definitely be layering these two together. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Just want to let you know, at the time of recording, they may have a 20% off. I don't know if by the time the video is uploaded, if that 20% off will still be valid. Go ahead and check the website. Also, there is also a new payment method at Dossier called Catch. If you select Catch at checkout, you could earn $10 sign-on bonus, and a link below that in the description for your convenience. Now that we get that out of the way, let's go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I give you my 34 cents of whether you should be getting this thing up. Let's go.
Hey miss, can I get your name? My last name ain't Payne, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her master's. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here.
So now you're about to install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I have is, the wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre in the lace front wig collection in the style Carmella. Carmella is a 16-inch middle part unit. I have the unit in the color DRFF Champagne. The unit does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps. Does have natural baby hairs. It is HD transparent lace. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees and comes with these gorgeous bouncy curls. Oh, I love this unit. And don't get me wrong, I know fall is coming, but honey, who said you can't wear blonde in the fall time? Because Auntie Titi be wearing whatever color she want, whenever she want. Y'all already know. So the unit is not beginner friendly, but it is beginner friendly. All you have to do is cut the lace off and put it on your head. You don't have to lay it down if you don't want to. At the time of recording, there's no tangling, no shedding, just a tiny bit of flyaways. It's not beginner friendly, but it's very beginner friendly because all I do is cut off the lace and put it on. I have not laid it down with any adhesive or anything, and that's how amazing it looks. Look at this close up to my hairline. Yeah, gorgeous. The unit is very silky, but that's nothing dry shampoo cannot fix. But other than that, a great unit. Great unit. So let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about the unit. A link will be left down in the description for your convenience to purchase the unit. And you know what I'm going to say. If you got any video you're the real MVP, don't forget to like the video, share the video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.